Hello my dear people. I just started yesterday furnace part 2, and I was panicking. I was panicking big time because this is a handful job. This is really handful job. Why, I'll tell you right now. See, this is how that looks like now. It is set in stone, as they say. So now what we'll do, we will try to clean that up. And like I said before, I didn't film this because I was panicking big time. And thing is, I did so many failures in my life that I didn't want to have one more on the screen. Now, if I knew that this is going to come up like this, I would film it. But still we'll see. We'll see what's going on. What's going on and how it's going on. So bear with me. I did this yesterday. Not yesterday, I started much earlier, and then it seems to me that this thing is fine. It's just okay. So this is gonna be a bit of a issue, yeah? It shouldn't be, but then again, all this has been done with what I had laying around. So, okay, let me grab a good hammer. We might take this down. This will come out. But this is like a rock, eh? Like a rock art. Okay. Let me see. Just a sec. Yesterday was running around day, and it seems to me that it's going to be today as well, because easy. This was on the wheels. So much mess. Right, so this is not going the way it should go. This is not going the way it should go. Okay. Well, let me show you the way I did that. Just a sec. So what I did here, As you know me, I like to do everything out of anything. These are the bits and bobs of the old lights. So what I did, I drilled them all together in the same hole and lay one on the top of the other. Now, since that thing is so hard, I'm gonna have to put you on a hold, or maybe I'll just put you on I'll leave it as it is and just put on the speed. I'll tell you what, I'll come back once I strip this. This is pain in the ass. 2 seconds. No, it won't be 2 seconds. I'll tell you how long it's gonna be. 11:30. Let you know. 2 minutes later. What have I done? I just cut that. So now these aluminium, not aluminium, stainless steel rods needs to be pulled out, and that should be easy peasy task. Or at least I hope for something like that. We'll see. Yeah boy. Oops, look at that. Look at that. Alright, next. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yep. Tell you what, that was quite a mission yesterday, but we did it. Now, will it work? I don't know. Next thing is I have to make look at that. Oops, I don't want to cut myself, but I almost did. That says to me, put the gloves on. That tells me put the gloves on. Gloves are on. Not that I want a boxing match, but almost got myself damaged. Right, okay, let's get into it best we can. Right here. I found a place in our area where they're selling these crucibles, not crucibles, furnaces. And when I saw the price, I said to myself, it pays you to muck around, even if it's a whole day. See, that was off the light, of the halogen light, and I just drilled the holes, put the one on the top of each other, and have a bit of a tin. So this, allow me to show you the last one. Can you see that last one? That's gonna be issue. Alright, so I'll try first, and then if it doesn't go, I'll come back with. But let me see, maybe. Oh, look at that. That was well thought. That was well thought. Rightio. So these things they'll go into the melt. Okay. Right. Now, tin. Tin is a really tiny tin that I have had from one of those boards. You know those boards where you write your memo thing. That's that. So that served absolutely well. That has served absolutely well. I'm happy with that. Yeah, boy. Right. Okay, I can play with that later on. One more thing. Oh, look, I went doubles. I forgot about that. Okay, gloves on again. Am I recording this? I am. Gloves on, mate. Gloves on. Yeah, so no, these are these cardboard papers were the infills. I had like 20 mil, 15 mil, so I had to make a few of those. Right, actually quite a few. What's this? Must be Corona. God, I might have one. After all this, if this works. Okay, this is the last one. That one doesn't go easy. Rightio. Okay. My missus was writing this. Nice. Yeah, right. Last but not least. Okay. And that is plastic bit. Let's see. This plastic was from one of the yeah, boy. This was see the way I did that. Right, look at that. And this is the infill that I had to put in. Now that's a history too. Alright, one more thing to do. Let me do something. Let me grab a stone. Rubbing stone. I'll just rub the edges of this thing. Surprisingly, how hard is this? And surprisingly, how not neatly this has came out. I like it. I like it a lot. And I think that should work fine. The other thing I need to make a burner out of this. I was using this one to have that hole down there. See that hole down the bottom? So let's see, will this come out? Something fishy happening here. I don't know what it is. Oh shit. Oh shit. That doesn't want to come out. And yeah, I see. Alright, we'll fix you. Don't worry. We'll fix you. There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's do the vacuuming. Nice! Nice. So, just one tiny little thing left. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I need to clean this up a bit. So, all that is left is to take this plastic out. One is split, outside one is split, inside one isn't. So what I'll do, I'll just cut that inside one. Question is, what to cut with? I know. I got just the right tool for it. And it's here. Oh yeah. We'll try our luck with this sucker. We'll see how we go. You don't want to damage this blade. Works like a charm. Yep boy. Actually, there's no need for that. What I'll do this, and it should, by all means, come out like this. Look at that, bang. And now you baby as well. And there you go. I cut that one open, slid it over the normal pipe, bang. Rightio. Okay. Right. Now, how heavy is that? Heavy as fuck. Okay. So, allow me to show you that thing from the distance. So now, what I need to do, I need to make some sort of a contraption here for lifting the lid and resting the lid somehow like this. And I might shove that on the wheels as I'm getting older. And there's probably 35 kilos of material there. So let me just tell you something. What it is, this refractory, under the refractory, there was a ceramic wall. So along here and down the bottom and along here and on the sides, maybe inch from the top, and here inch from the top, I haven't put that ceramic wall, and I have mixed this fairly wet, and then I just pour it like a normal concrete, and that looks absolutely perfect. It has a bit of a honeycomb inside, but that's basically fuck all, should I say. And for that, so that drum is 320 mil, which is a bit more than what, 12-13 inches? What they say, I'm not good in inches anyway. And oh yeah, let me show you. Crucible A6. Let's see, how will that fit in? Okay, look at that. Hey boy, look at that. It might fit. Here we go, folks. Oops, sorry. This is it. Made it, finally. Everything is in order. And this one is basically ready to be fired up. So what have I done here? I show you, just a second. Let me find, there's a bit of a mess on the table. So this is how this is gonna be open, and that lid is resting on that little notch, and hopefully flame will go through here, and then we'll start melting some stuff. So that'll go on the wheels. I'll chuck the wheels. I have a wheel somewhere there, so I'll chuck them on. And this burner, I made this burner, and I'm gonna use it for something else. It is okay, don't get me wrong, it's doing what's supposed to do. It's blue, making nice and blue flame. But what have I decided? Since everything is made out of the stainless steel, I'm gonna make stainless steel burner, which is gonna go inside here like that, and it's gonna be, you're gonna be able to do quick if something goes sour. So you have to. So yeah, that's that. And what else I was going to say? I'll probably fire him next week sometime, because I'm gonna go to work. And next week is a long weekend, apparently. So they say. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the calendar. Let's see this. I need to grind that a little bit. I'll fix that later on. And I'll try to melt something. In the meantime, I still have to make tongs. These will be the tongs. I'll make them up later on. Yeah, very happy with this one, considering that all this was stuff which was laying around. So, in saying that, guys, I'll wrap up this one. Very, very happy with this build. This is heavy thing. Yeah. I'll say, yeah, I don't know what to say. Very nice, very nice. That's all I can say. And I hope it's gonna melt copper, brass, and aluminium. Hopefully. I do believe it should. If it doesn't, oh well. One more thing for the rubbish. We'll see. The moment of truth will come next Friday or next week sometime. In saying that, guys, all the best. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Cheers.